there, welcome to Bitesize Piano. In this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to play the main synth part from Final Countdown by Europe. So I'll teach you what you heard in the preview. I've left my other 80s piano tutorials linked in the description, so let's dive in. This one's in the key of F sharp minor, so on the screen now are all the notes of the scale of F sharp minor. So these are the notes we are mostly working with. Here is middle C as a reference point. I'll teach both hands separately, so on the screen the right hand will be orange and the left hand will be blue. We're going to start with the right hand first, so all the notes we need are on the top screen there. So first of all we have C sharp, B, C sharp, F sharp, and then off. So off. And then we have D, C sharp, D, C sharp, B. So from the beginning we have off, off, and then we have D, C sharp, D, F sharp, off. So from the beginning we have off, 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 and then we have B, A, B, A, G sharp, B, A. So all together we have and then we start all of that again. So from the C sharp, but we don't add the A on at the end, so just like it says on the screen. So then the next part, so I'll play this bit first, so we have an A, and then G sharp, A, B, A, B, C sharp, so then it comes down to B, A, G sharp, F sharp. So I'll just do that again from the A. And the last little bit goes D, C sharp, and then like a turn, so C sharp, D, C sharp, B, C sharp. So D, C sharp. So from the beginning we have and obviously use whichever fingers you feel comfortable with there. So then the left hand, so the notes for the first part of the left hand are on the screen. So we're gonna go F sharp. You can play in octaves if you can, but if you can't play in octaves, like F sharp to F sharp, just play singular notes instead. So we've got F sharps, E, D, start that again, so da 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 da. So that's the left hand for the first part. So I'll fit that together with the right hand then. So obviously I just sang it then, but let's play it together. So the left hand starts first. And then with this F sharp, the E comes in and changes to the D. So together, D, and then by itself, and then the left hand plays a B by itself. Then it plays the E by itself. And then we have B, A, and F and B together, which doesn't sound right, but it is right. And then we start that again, so. And then we play the F sharp with the A. Do all of that again from the beginning. So and then the left hand for the next bit, we have F sharp, G sharp, A, D, C sharp, and C sharp again. And then that's with this bit. So the together, so that fits together like this. So you play the F sharp with the A, D sharp with the B, A with the C sharp, then D with the F sharp, and then C sharps together, and again there. I'll do that again without talking. So now I'm going to join it all together. End of this video. If you have a request, please leave them in the comment section of this video. Also remember to like and subscribe. I've left some videos here you might like, so go and check those out. I also have a course, so if you would like to learn how to read music from scratch, go visit Bitesize Piano Course.co.uk. You can enroll and start learning. I'll see you in the next video.